but we need to identify ourselves with those people who give us peace, because that is where our identity belongs. आज हमारे पास कितने सारे सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं. यू नेम वन, आपको जिस तरह का सोशल मीडिया चाहिए उस तरह का सोशल मीडिया मिल जाएगा. ये सारे सोशल मीडियाज में हम हमारे अचीवमेंट्स को पोस्ट करते हैं और बताते हैं दुनिया को कि हमारी ज़िंदगी में क्या अच्छा हो रहा है. एंड वी गेट द रिस्पॉन्स, पीपल लाइक इट एंड वी फील गुड, समथिंग विच इज़ हैपनिंग गुड इन आवर लाइफ. हमें ऐसे लगता है कि हमारी ज़िंदगी भी बेहतर हो रही है. क्या इसमें कोई बुराई है? शायद नहीं. वी लव बोस्टिंग अबाउट आवरसेल्फ एंड जब उसके लिए एक रिस्पॉन्स मिलता है, एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिल जाता है, वी एन्जॉय डूइंग इट. बट वेल, इज़ दैट आवर लाइफ ऑल अबाउट? क्या हमारी ज़िंदगी यही है कि जो हमारे अचीवमेंट्स है वो हम हमारे लोगों के सामने रखे और बताए कि भाई ये मेरे साथ हुआ है, समथिंग दैट इज़ ग्रेट एंड बिग एंड सो नाइस. तो अब आप देखो इसे, आप इसके बारे में कुछ कहो मुझसे. And when we do that, when we display these achievements, when we display these things that is happening inside our life, in our life, we are trying to resemble ourselves with the world which is outside. हो सकता है आपका स्टैंडर्ड बहुत ज़्यादा हाई हो सकता है आपका वर्थ एंड आपका वैल्यू बहुत ज़्यादा हाई हो, बट इवेंचुअली जस्ट बिकॉज यू वांट अ कंसिडरेशन फ्रॉम अदर्स, we are trying to put ourselves into those areas where we want recognition from the people, just so that I get enough likes, enough recognition. I put those things not because I really want to do that, not because I am focused much on my job. No, having said that, I also want to say कि ऐसा करने में कोई बुराई नहीं है, but अगर हम करते हैं, that is probably because we want us to identify ourselves through others, and that's a very strong line, isn't it? हम खुद की पहचान दूसरों में ढूंढने की कोशिश करते हैं. We try to identify ourselves through others. It is a vital truth that can never be erased from the earth. We are social animal, no doubt about it. And living a healthy life is rooted in the participation of the world which is around us. But what is that world all about? क्या वो बस वो एक physical दुनिया है जो हमारे इर्द गिर्द है? नहीं. That's not a physical world that we need to participate. We need to be social, that is true, but we cannot be antisocial. We need to be social. But the point is, the world with which we want to participate should be the world that we choose. That the world that gives us peace, and not that world where we just want recognition and likes and hearts from people. No, that's not what the world is. Is that world giving you peace enough to make you feel better? If the answer is yes, then what you're doing is right. If the answer is no, then what you're doing is wrong. Someone would say कि हाँ, मुझे likes मिलने से, मुझे hearts मिलने से बहुत अच्छा लगता है, मुझे शांति मिलती है, आई गेट द पीस. देन यू नीड टू आस्क वन क्वेश्चन, अगर आपको नहीं मिल रहा है तो क्या आपको बुरा लग रहा है? अगर आपका जवाब हाँ है तो शायद वो आपकी दुनिया नहीं है. आइडेंटिफाई योरसेल्फ थ्रू दैट वर्ल्ड विच गिव्स यू पीस. देयर वाज अ फेमस फिजिसिस्ट, सर रिचर्ड, सेड दिस, एंड दिस रियली टच्ड मी. फॉल इन लव विद सम एक्टिविटी एंड डू इट. Nobody ever figures out what life is all about, and it does not matter. Explore the world. Nearly everything is really interesting if you go into it deeply enough. Work as hard and as much as you want to on the things you like to do the best. Don't think about what you want to be, but what you want to do. Keep up some kind of minimum with other things so that society doesn't stop you from doing anything at all. We live in a society, but that doesn't mean we live for them. We live for ourselves. We need not to identify ourselves with others, but we need to identify ourselves with those people who give us peace, because that is where our identity belongs. उन लोगों के साथ का हमारा रिश्ता जो हमें शांति दे, जो हमें हमारे आइडेंटिटी को बताए, दैट इज़ वॉट रियली मैटर्स, एंड दैट इज़ द वर्ल्ड वी नीड टू बिलोंग टू. and not to the world which makes us feel, अरे जिंदगी जीना एक competition है. No, life is not a competition, right? You need not to run a race just to show others that, yeah, I am better than him, I am better than her. My life is happier because I have those materialistic things. No, you don't have to. You can be just as peaceful as you can, but you need to have that world around you. The world that will make you feel peaceful and calm. That is what you really want. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Share your thoughts with me in the comment section, and also share it with your friends if you really want to share it with the people you love. Apart from that, if you have not subscribed to the channel, you can do that too. Thank you so much.